Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Bitpay in 2025. Whether you're looking to manage your assets more securely or explore new DeFi opportunities, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll cover the latest updates for 2025 to make sure you're up to speed. First things first, make sure you have both your Robinhood and Bitpay accounts set up and verified. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or logging in on your computer. Navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once selected, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there in the menu. Next, head over to your Bitpay wallet. If you don't have one, download the app and create an account. It's straightforward and secure. In Bitpay, generate a new wallet address for the crypto you're transferring. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Now, back in Robinhood, paste the Bitpay wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply in 2025. Expect them to be around 0.0001 to 0.001 BTC depending on the blockchain. Review all the details, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, based on network congestion. One quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify everything before you proceed. There you have it. That's how you transfer crypto from Robinhood to Bitpay in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.